In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up a booking calendar in HoneyBook. Whether you're a freelancer, a consultant, or running a small business, having a streamlined booking process is crucial for managing your appointments effectively. HoneyBook offers a seamless way to integrate your calendar, ensuring you never miss a beat. First, let's navigate to the company settings in your HoneyBook dashboard. This is where you can manage your business settings and integrations. Once you're in the company settings, look for the integration section. Integrations are essential as they allow different software applications to work together, providing a more cohesive experience. Now, the next step is to connect your Google Calendar. This integration is particularly useful because Google Calendar is widely used and trusted for its reliability and ease of use. To do this, find the Google Calendar option within the integration section. You'll want to click on it to begin the connection process. When you click on Google Calendar, HoneyBook will prompt you to sign in to your Google account. Make sure you choose the account that you use for your business appointments. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that you're linking the correct one. Once logged in, you might see a permissions request. This step is crucial as it allows HoneyBook to access your calendar data, which is necessary for syncing appointments. Don't worry, HoneyBook only accesses what's needed to ensure your bookings are up to date. After granting permissions, your Google Calendar will be linked to your HoneyBook account. This integration means any appointments you make in HoneyBook will automatically appear on your Google Calendar and vice versa. This feature is incredibly helpful for keeping track of your meetings and ensuring you don't double book yourself. Now that your calendar is synced, you can start managing your appointments directly from HoneyBook. You'll notice that any changes you make in either HoneyBook or Google Calendar will reflect across both platforms. This synchronization makes it much easier to update and manage your schedule, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. As a tip, regularly check your calendar settings to ensure everything remains synced correctly. Occasionally, you might need to reauthorize the connection, especially if you change your Google account password or adjust privacy settings. Keeping an eye on this will prevent any unexpected surprises with your bookings. In summary, by setting up your booking calendar in HoneyBook and integrating it with Google Calendar, you're ensuring a smoother, more efficient appointment management process. This setup not only saves time, but also helps maintain professionalism with clients by keeping your bookings organized and up to date. Embrace this integration to streamline your workflow and enhance your business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your use of HoneyBook. Happy scheduling!